Apple and Amazon both strong today. Apple actually looks really nice too. So does Tesla.
Suzuki was 70 bucks on it. Then it is a little more expensive. I should have pulled the trigger, to be honest. Just a little careful then. Hold on, I want to see how this candle reacts at the 3rd minute mark.
$5.78 at the same level, and SPY keeps defending. Now Apple shifting to the outperformer. Tesla's also continuing.
I'll be trading small on the just letting you know. I'll be having tight stops and trading small. So keep your contracts ready.
SPY looks pretty weak. Microsoft failed this tap. I think I'm getting there. You don't have Microsoft on watch though. I'm going like that though. I got 252. Wow. Stop is above here. 244.65. SPY has no juice. I should have bought up top though. Or maybe we get a close above that. Yeah, nah.
Yeah, PL 340. I'm looking for SPY calls, but the issue right now, I'll tell you guys, you can see it, is
that.
Apple's very strong. It doesn't even look like we're gonna get our a lower demand here on SPY. If we just keep holding 578, we can just rip from here. Look at individual names like Apple's holding strong, Amazon's holding strong, Tesla too.
I think we'll get it. Guys, I got filled on Netflix. 450 average. I'm just going to use that 1122 as top on percentage.
I could try that. Like 1070 puts. I'm gonna take this tree with him.
Hey, what you could do is you could just enter long and use a stop number 578.30, right, with that previous low. Or you can wait for 576. I'm open to everything. I just want to see what the market's going to do. It's 10 o'clock, so we already have enough to work off with here.
Damn, bro. Level 7 to my level. It just has to have a clear failure. Spy is kind of holding. I don't know. I like that open. That should be break. It's still not break even. Yeah. Wow.
What other tickers should be watching besides ES Spot, QQQ? I mean, just look at the big names: Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Nvidia, Microsoft, Meta. A lot of betas seem to be holding pretty well. We've just retraced, but we've retraced the demand. Look at Apple. Apple's ticking higher up to a 7.
Bounce.
Amazon's
That should be
green.
break.
Nvidia's above 120. What's it?
That's break. So right here is break for me. And then you push lower, then yeah, get money. Buyers are still strong. Once they start losing, now it's gonna fall. But are they gonna start losing? It's a big question. They lose on Spy, they probably gonna lose on Netflix. But they're holding on Spy. Not gonna hold you. Yeah. Yeah. Carry that liquidity. Oh.
Guys, I'll just take in a trim here at 6% here, guys. Just to cover this, I'm holding half of my
It's a
position.
$6
Just rewrap at stop now.
Wait, how am I down? Down $6. I could have sworn this was break
The
even
worst
for
case
me.
will be
The contract
down
must
about
have
1 or
moved.
2%. Just rewrap rate. The rest I'll just hold.
I have to beat the contracts too, bro. This sucks. I have to beat the contracts. The thing with them is they'll be right, but they'll take trims, and it's like, oh my gosh.
The Spies defended this level.
Come on, bro.
That looks relatively weak though. Put it this way.
Netflix wants to fall. There's no higher highs. It's just like dropping. Can we clear it? $3. Yeah, I'm definitely racing the. Definitely going against contracts. This is the third tap of this line, bro. Oh my gosh. And we broke it. Are we out? Should I be out? How much have I lost? I lost 25 already. I'm down 40. I can't lose $10 more. Let's lock in. Let's lock in. Are we out? Yes, we are. Are they out? I should be out right now, honestly. I'll wait till this ends.
Spies reclaiming VWAP here. This is pretty big. $580 has to defend now here on Spies chart.
Okay. Yeah. I think I was right at that number.
Q's under the level though. Q's still under that 4 or 505 level.
Crazy fail. No, bruh, it's pushing back up. Oh, like that, bruh.
still holding at like the runner's position, right? We're down like 2% on this. I'm just going to use that candle higher stop, okay? The green again here. The risk is literally 3% on this. I don't think I'm wrong. Let's see.
I shouldn't hesitate it. Yeah. That's my fault.
There's trap buyers up here now. Above this 580.
I don't know how I got in all the way down here, but
that would be big. But this
I
is
gotta
still
rewatch
technically a bullish
this.
refi months buy above 580. Let's see. I want to see where this candle closes. It's 2 minutes left for closure.
It's rejecting the moving average. I might start an uptrend. Please correct the moving average. It's a hard ask, but it's coming back at my stop.
Guys, I loaded this 580 puts, 1DP.
We're loading puts, so we could be on the good side of this trade, as long as we don't hit my stop before it starts going down. Once we hit my stop, I'm out at that level. Only thing is what's gonna push it back down, and it probably will be my stop, unless I can't afford to move my stop a little bit, because I want my max loss to be $50, right, for a day. If I move my stop,
but keep your finger on the trigger. Yeah.
He's break even. He's down 16%.
I got started here at 3.01.
Okay, they're starters for puts. And we can drop them good. Alright, now I'm only down 5. You got to lead if you want to. Market has been trending sideways for a long time. It hasn't really picked a direction. Did I got class at 12 or 11? I think it's 11. I got class at 11. Last class of the year. It's 11. This junk gotta go down.
10%
Of $1. $3. Oh, we're free falling.
13% taking a trend.
Oh, we're free falling.
8% risk.
He's 8 on 1%.
You guys know the risk now. So,
Yeah, the risk is defined. But honestly, I might be out after this, cause I mean, that candle should mean we're just blowing. It has been 4 consecutive red candles, 3 consecutive red candles. But even still, I feel like that candle should mean we're just going straight to the downside. And the fact that
580.50
it's
is my sell.
green. Yeah, that's a strong green candle too. I mean, I don't know. Like, we should literally, like, nothing should have stopped the downside move. That's how bad it should have been.
580 is an interesting pivot today.
I think it's SPY. SPY bouncing off the MA.
It's also that QQQ 505, Mike. You see that? You're watching Q.
I was watching 580.5, which was that pre-market level on SPY.
580.50.
Yeah, it's definitely SPY. And if SPY goes up, Netflix is about to. It's kind of fighting it. Netflix definitely is weak. It wants to go down. But pretty sure this is a rising wedge pattern. Off the downtrend. Downtrend and wedge.
Back at
Should be
average here if you want to sell the break even.
Come on, bruh. I got. Come on, bruh. I need this on the floor.
580.50.
Class.
It's not rest on the SPY, guys. So just holding this green.
Am I green now?
Just
Should be
wanna see
red.
that 10 plus
Red $2.
before that will be a big winner for us.
Now I'm green $2. Ideally, I just want to wipe out my losses with this trade. This is not. I know with the contracts I picked, I'm not gonna make crazy money unless we hit my levels down here. But
I'm holding. I got a small position. Rest is pretty well defined. I already took one from off.
$13.
12%.
Yeah, now we should be falling. I wanna brush my teeth with some dumb shit. If some dumb happening. Oh well, bruh.
There you go. We can lose 579. Up 15% now. There you go. 579, up 18%. Alright, taking second trend here at 22%.
$15% in range. 17%.
This is 578 again. That's why.
you guys were able to get that the correct directional read also on this. If you can plus low pitch. %, there again, guys. Back to low pitch.
27%. Out of the most here at this SPX level.
Hopefully it breaks.
Yeah, if it does, we should go to that PS 5800 and take a bounce there. There you go. %36%. %40. We'll draw down, easy money.
I'm getting started. Damn, me can't let smell like Harley. Crash the party.
23%.
I'm 10% behind. Is that it? That's the end of the juice.
Alright, spot. Hope it goes a little lower. You guys can
Is that the end of
profit
the
on
juice?
shorts. Just a little bit lower demand. $2 more. That's all I want.
25%.
We're not 719 in my level. We're not 719 in my level.
Is that SPX level to go?
Come on. Go a little lower. One more attempt.
There you go.
Yeah, we got one more candle in us. Before the bounce.
42%.
Come on, bruh.
Yeah, that took profit here.
Come on,
44%.
bruh. I'm at 20%.
That's good. Alright, I'm at a little pulse.
This might be my last trade.
Yeah,
Oh no, I'm at low close with them too.
576, 575.
576, yeah. I just want to look. We just.
Yeah. First pair was 40.
Here we go. Yeah, once I see Spy go, it's gonna
Okay,
go.
come on, 2 more.
A little more, bruh.
Oh, yeah.
Come on.
Breathe a little.
Come on. Come on.
Rav, you were in size over there?
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
That also depends.
Come on.
Like I said, I was not uncertain. I was like almost like that was gonna break. I had 5 also.
Great trades.
Market's breaking range here, so I don't mind if this expands a little,
How's this
lower.
23%?
Don't rush into it.
Bad days of Netflix.
Now it's just 25.
Rav,
Right? Right, chillin'?
You can say that you guys were Netflix and chilling with me. And no homo.
What is he talking about? No. What is he actually talking? What?
40% here, guys.
Alright, 30%.
Oh. Wow. I mean,
Boy, that had a war.
Guys, I'm loading the 578 calls in Spy. Actually, you know what? I'll load the 577 calls just to get them ready. 577 calls. 1 DDE. A little early. I'm not gonna jump in yet though. We are tapping. Oh, still a little left ESL.
One
I'm going to use
DT.
10, 12 as trailing stop now, guys. Taking more stops.
That's
So like,
78.
hope you guys spot that. Pretty
Yeah, I think SPY can go lower.
easy.
A lot of people got nothing since Friday.
Yeah, very good start for Monday. Big game here. Please don't give back game. Just the start of the week. I thought today would be a more tricky session, to be honest. But I think it's
850. I just gotta try to make
40%
another
trade.
50.
Yeah, good session.
Yeah, great.
Well, SPY go down a little more. Get it at a true premium.
Okay.
And Aristotle also caught Tesla.
I'm full selling guys. Okay. I think I'll put him on maybe.
Let me catch something. Hold on.
I want to get this AMD at 106 too.
If you want to be a T10 and fold, you can use the 1117 extra. But I'm all out. Hopefully the recording came out well and I can post it also. I don't know how to even edit this trade. It's a mess. It's gonna take me whole day to edit one reel.
But the odds we give back this entire move during CPI tomorrow. All possible. Let's see.
The level is really that 576 on SPY, which I think is equivalent to 5800 DS.
We just flipped off of it almost 5804.
5804, yeah.
Expectations are flat EPS. CPI.
Brett, don't be a professional loader today. Well, that's true. But the issue is, I want to be surgical. I want to get in as close as. I mean, if we reclaim that 578.50, that's a long trigger too. But let's see. I don't want to be long back into that demand term resistance, because this is where you're seeing her react off of it. So I think we should get her 576 today.
Microsoft seems like it's holding.
I thought I got scared for a second. I thought I didn't record this. I just
Just don't know when it's going to take off.
content creator shit is not for me.
Says tariffs won't go all the way back up to 145%.
That's in stocking right now as well.
It's on that Netflix. Brooklyn 10.
What did you say? Can't even understand. 1083.
I kind of like the Apple thing.
Apple won't.
No, stop.
Oh,
I mean,
you
one takes 10
Yeah, it's too many
I had a
tabs.
2
It's holding though.
Not bad if you open.
I think if I do Microsoft
Yeah,
puts,
I like that. That's good. That 207.
Microsoft
AMD
puts is
106
cool.
coming up shortly. Let's see.
Actually, no cost.
My long trigger is 578.50 reclaim, or it's going to be 576 pullback.
It re-entered this one. I ain't go either way.
I don't really see, to be honest, I don't see much, like, a lot of selling in these names today. I mean, if it was going to be one of those days we just give up everything, you would see, like, at least one beta.
Last time we looked at this, it came
you don't
down,
see that.
we did puts.
So I think that the idea today in the gap up is still look for those pullback long. I mean, if you shorted highs, it's like, you know, obviously surgical move, but I still think that the long side trades are valid today.
Much longer.
But he can't get up there. I'm not gonna lie. Dang. MSFT. I might be shorting Microsoft again. Increasing volume to the downside. Why not? I just want to see it at least get back to the line.
All the moving well though.
I ain't gonna
One
either
little
way,
green take is like 6-7%. On 1 degree.
and do this and then keep it tight. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Keep it tight. QRS tight. After this close, I'm gonna see.
So that's the right move.
$6.
I'm actually gonna go long. If I see this candle close here strong, I'm just gonna go long with that candle low stop now. 578.15.
So moving on that good man. Like 15% on that on candle.
Are you in?
Actually,
Yeah.
the 577 was ES, almost ES 58.
I'm moving my contracts to the 580 calls
Still
on spot.
holding.
I just ordered the 580 calls. I didn't realize you're already in that. That's a good entry.
I just said I didn't take into that. I mean, I just said I'm gonna go long.
No, that was the exact right move. Now we fully reclaim that structure.
Oh my god, I don't like that.
Ideally, you just now use 578.20 as stop loss.
It's but this is
Yeah.
my stop.
I should take 580 now. So probably going to be trending near to the other side. Apple to 10 also the trigger for long. You guys want ideas? But this one. To 10 maybe will keep him on the head.
If I get filled here, I'm gonna just I'm not gonna go crazy size. My main level today is 576, but I just want to test this idea of the reclaim and market holding strong. Just letting you guys know. But I just got filled. I got filled at 2.52 on the 580 calls. Stop loss just under 578.20. Don't go crazy. Don't size crazy.
I feel like Microsoft's weak.
That was the reclaim.
That's why
I'll just be half position and I'll pepper in some more contracts if I see it working in my favor. 578.20 stop. Or maybe I might even tighten it up a bit more than that. But let's see.
I gotta do the dirty on the poacher song. Microsoft, I don't got time for this, bro. I got finals, I got study for, bro. Like, let's just go. Cell pressure. A lot of cell pressure.
We're back at VWAP here.
Just go. Gonna go.
Up 7% here, 8%. If you guys want the little gains, you can take it. I'm just gonna hold. I'm gonna use that 578.50 as stop loss though. Just tightening things up. Looks like it's gonna push it out though. Just has to push here.
Wait for the candle and don't impulsively sell.
Good.
Yeah,
Guys, I just took a trim at 11%. I just took my first trim at 11%. Blocking in half at 11%, and I'm gonna use 578.80 as stop loss. This is just a momentum-based trade. I have to stick with momentum here.
Full green trade, please.
Let's put
Four green trades today. That's good.
VWAP here.
Yeah, these contracts are moving. I have the same 580.
I shouldn't have gone against SPY. Whenever you gotta go with SPY or you gotta go against SPY. You can't go against it. Especially
This
with
is
Microsoft.
VWAP. I just want to see us push out VWAP, and then
Fooled
if
me
we
down
do,
here.
then we definitely under uptrend today.
Yeah, fooled me here too.
One of the 580 can be like taken out. If it does, we'll get a pop candle.
Yeah.
Some volatility.
The thing is, if I waited for, like you guys saw, like if I I actually couldn't enter anywhere besides where I entered, in my opinion. For me, I had to wait for that candle above my 578.50.
And I didn't get it with 10% because that's why I couldn't signal. I just like,
You're a dog, Rav.
dude, I'm up like crazy on the day. like,
Great start to the week.
Even if this whole spike goes to zero, I'll be fine.
So right now you want to see this. You want to see 578, 80 hold on spot. Or like
Actual chocolate.
what I was saying today, like about watching these beta, you can really get the whole story if you just watch these other names. Like nothing really solid. I mean, to be honest, like Netflix is different. Netflix was like the only like weak name today, but every beta. Look at Meta. Look at Apple. Right? These stocks look like they want to break down today. Nvidia. Nvidia actually looks a little shitty, but most other betas are pretty strong.
I like the sexual chocolate.
What? Mike, what did you just say?
Mike said he wants to have chocolates while having sex.
I thought this was a trading chat. I don't know what's going on here.
No context. No one on Zoom knows, Mike. You just got caught.
Oh man, I got cut. There's context, guys. In the chat, there's someone's name called Sexual Chocolate.
Mike, why are you talking about sex? Someone clip
I
that.
didn't even notice Rob responded.
Yeah.
So SPY's up 11% again here. 12%. I mean, just push it out. Our stops are basically break even now, so we have no risk on this. Just gonna watch this chart. 13% now.
Yeah, Netflix candle close under 1010. It's still invalid, but fuck this guys. I'm done. I'm so tired.
You guys can hop up if you want. I don't want to hold you guys on. I just want to stay till I'm out of this SPY.
I'll
Oh,
stay.
wait. Wait.
I want to see this 580 breaks and then I'll go full step.
So you guys had 40% trades. Can they give me 20%? Give me a little 20%er.
I don't know. This area is kind of tough here. Netflix is fairly close again. If they take 580, I'm confident. But this area is a little tricky.
Yeah. But I mean, the thing is that I kind of like when it sits at you up like this because it's just it's getting exciting.
It's 50-50. Man, the range is pretty tight.
I know.
It's going to happen. It has to happen. So just the same kind of trade. Remember that 545 call they did. Has to go immediately. Either way, you can hold because of the entry and trail out.
Is it too late to join SPY? In my opinion, I kind of like their entry where I got in because now I just have a B stop. So it is a little late, but you can try it. You just maybe getting out in the red if I get stopped on this, basically. My stop loss is going to be just 579 now. Amazon is building. Apple is building. Meta is building. Okay. Now we're up nicely in these contracts, up 16, 17% now. 16%. Actually a bit slow now.
There you go.
One.
There you go.
I'm out.
All right, I took more trims now, guys. I took more trims at 18% or so, 19%. So now I'm out about 70% of the position. If 580.50 breaks, then we'll begin to actually see some nice upside today. But the thing is like, it's still got to be. I'm not seeing Apple react to this, which was not something I like. But let's be patient. Let's just trail it out now. Our stop loss would be 579.60. We could still build more. We could still build more a lot if we actually, if Apple reclaims. Meta looks like it wants to break out today, which is pretty wild. 634 breakout in Meta. So if you see these names begin to pick up now.
Nice candle.
Yeah, at Spliff we could go. We could go back to not 585, but probably to opening print 582. So this is the struggle. If I see this candle break now, 579.50, I'm gonna full sell my position in the green. Up still 11% here.
Rick. No, we nailed too many trades. I don't want to signal more. But yeah, this is that same supply, 580.50.
Do your supply, Mike.
Yeah, no, I can rip for bread.
I think it is obviously correct though. 580.50 still supply. Here's my issue now. My issue with longs is why the hell is Apple sleeping? Apple needs to tick green here.